Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're all okay. Thank you for joining me again. I'm going to use all Varnail today, and I'm going to do a little Easter set because I haven't done one yet. And I'll just try and zoom you in a bit. Oh. There we go. I'm using the Varnail gel polish. These are lovely, nice big bottles, 15ml bottles. This is Cinderella Blue, and then this is Morning Dew. And in one of the Varnail mystery boxes, I can't remember which one it was now, I got some sponges and some powder. But I'm going to use the gel polish with these sponges. And I've just cut it to a bit longer than the length of the nail. So I'll use that. And I've stuck a bit of the back of a foam. Or the foam itself, I've stuck down there anyway. That's what I'm doing. So I'm going to use those sponges. That's just to clean the sponge, make sure I haven't got any fluff on it. So these also, I'm going to use these two, which are the solid gels. I love their solid gels. At the minute, I'd look on the website, and at the minute they've got, is it 10 for $26 for random colours? So if you're a bit stuck for what to choose and you haven't got any, you might want to go for 10 random colours and see what you get. A bit risky for me to do it because I bought 2 lots previously, so I might end up with, I could end up with the whole lot being exactly the same. So if you haven't got many, it's a good thing to do. And they come with a free brush. And this, trust me, it's a fabulous brush for gels. So these are quite thick, these as well. A bit like a painting gel. So very nice. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to ombre them with this sponge. So I shall base coat all of them, because I'm going to do every nail the same. In fact, I'll just base coat this one, and I'll do it on this one, because all the nails are going to be exactly the same. So if you're doing sponging and you're going to be going, and you're likely, if you're using sponging or powders, heavily pigmented powders or something like that, if you're dotting them on, I would recommend using either a latex peel off tape or nail guards, so they go around your finger, because you don't want to be getting any, you don't want to be getting any product on your nails. So I'll just show you on this one, because I realised on Eve it don't want to peel off very well. But you just put your latex around there, and then when you're sponging, there, oh, got everything. So that'll go clear when it's done. But as I say, it don't peel off Eve very well, but it would do on your own fingers. So make sure you've safeguarded that, so you'd let that dry. And then with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bit of the blue at the top and green at the bottom. And then I'm going to use some stickers. So a quick, easy set today. So, but I'll only show you on this one nail. So I'm going to do the blue. And have that there. And the green. So I'm going to get the sponge, which, like I say, is long enough. So I'm going to just dab it on there, make sure I've got no fluff on. And then I'm going to sponge this on. That's it. I'm going to do the second coat, so exactly the same. So kind of up and down. Then to make that colour a bit stronger, I'm going to put a little acrylic over it. And cure that. So I'll get the other 3 nails done to that stage. And just brush off that acrylic. And then when I go in with the next sponging, it will be a little bit darker. That's it. And then on the top of that, before I cure it, I'm going to use a little bit of this haze blue, just to make the top of it a little bit darker. And then, where's my sponge? I want that bit further down. I'll clean my brush off. And just pull it. That's it. So I do them all like that, and then I'll come back and we'll put some stickers on. Now I'm going to do some clouds, and the way I do clouds is I'm using this, which is 02 White, like I say, one of the solid gels. And it has a handy little lip on there to wipe my brushes on. But I'm using this, which is a fan brush. I think it came in a set from Amazon. So just look out for a little tiny fan brush. And I'm just going to dip the very end of one end of it into the white and then dab it on there a bit. And I'm just going to use that to dab my clouds. So there's wispies and less wispy. A couple on that one. Do them all different. Like that. So that's my clouds. Cue those. Then the stickers are, some of them, I can't remember if I bought, you can buy like a mystery bag of stickers, and I got 10, I think 10 or 12 strips of stickers. And also some of these have come in the mystery boxes, so I've got these crosses and these little flowers that I've picked out. So I'm going to use those. So I only want one of the crosses and a few of these flowers. Now these Varnail stickers are the thinnest things I've ever had, so be very careful. No doubt I'm going to tear one or two of them while I'm pulling them off. But what I'm going to do is, I think this stuck better when I'd wiped off the tacky layer. So I'm going to do that. So this one I'm going to stick a cross on it. I'm going to do this one. I'll see how thin this is. There we go. Loosen this end. Got it. In the middle. Straight. And then I'm going to put some little flowers around that. So I'll do these ones. So I've just got the black out. That's number 1. On here. There we go. A few of my little birds. Isn't life easy with stickers? So if you want to make sure that that's absolutely smooth, you can base coat first and then top coat. But because it's just on Eve, she's not bothered. I'm just going to top coat them. Right, I think I'm actually running out of top coat now. Oh dear. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to use the discount code. It's a fantastic 25% off. So there you are. There's my first Easter set. Take care, everybody. Love you loads. Bye.